Hey everyone, I'm Adam, and welcome back to Vacation Vibes for You, your go-to spot for epic getaways and hidden travel gems. Today, we're heading to one of the most jaw-dropping destinations on Earth, Banff National Park in Alberta, Canada. Think snow-capped peaks, crystal clear lakes, and nature so beautiful it barely looks real. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It takes just 2 seconds, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps more than you know. Let's dive into the magic of Banff and stay till the end for 3 bonus spots which are often overlooked by people when visiting. I'll never understand why. They must be crazy. First up is the crown jewel, Lake Louise. Surrounded by mountains and glaciers, this iconic turquoise lake is absolutely stunning year-round and an absolute must when visiting. You can rent a canoe in summer for some leisure time in the water, or if you prefer to be on the water, you can go ice skating in winter. Either way, this place is unreal and great fun. Pro tip, go early in the morning to beat the crowds and capture that perfect Instagram shot before the tour buses roll in, unless of course you want photos of buses, each to their own I suppose. Just 14 kilometers from Lake Louise is the breathtaking Moraine Lake, and some people say it's even more beautiful. Its blue-green glow is thanks to glacial rock flower, and the view from the Rockpile Trail is one of the most photographed spots in Canada. But here's the catch, access is limited. So you'll need to book a shuttle or tour in advance because there is no more personal vehicle access as of 2023, but still totally worth the visit. No visit is complete without stopping in Banff Town itself. It's charming, walkable, and full of cozy cafes. There are outdoor gear shops should you forget something for your trip, and local delicious Canadian cuisine. For something sweet, grab a beaver tail made from fried dough and topped with something sweet, or a maple taffy, which is hot maple syrup poured onto fresh snow to cool it quickly and make it chewy. After this, if you're feeling adventurous, check out the Banff Upper Hot Springs nearby. Ready for a scenic drive? The Icefields Parkway is one of the most stunning road trips in the world. Stretching from Banff to Jasper, it's packed with jaw-dropping views, waterfalls, glaciers and wildlife. Think elk, mountain goats, and if you're lucky, maybe even some bears. Please remember to stay safe and always look out for each other if bears have been spotted in the area. Just pull over often and keep that camera ready. Next stop, Peyto Lake. This one looks like a fox or wolf head from above. It's super cool. It's a quick hike from the Bow Summit parking lot, and the view is absolutely pure magic. Another pro tip, visit early or during golden hour, so just after sunrise or just before sunset for that ethereal lighting that'll make your video edits pop. Looking for a walk that feels like a fantasy movie? Johnston Canyon is your spot. Steel catwalks take you through narrow canyon walls to beautiful waterfalls. In winter, everything freezes into an ice wonderland, and you can even ice walk right up to frozen falls. It's truly magical. If you want a relaxing escape, Lake Minnewanka offers boat tours, picnicking and stunning views. Plus, it's less crowded than the more famous lakes. It's also home to an underwater ghost town, a sunken resort village from the 1940s. And yes, scuba diving is possible here, but only if you're brave enough for the cold. Here's a spot many skip, and I don't understand why. Cave and Basin National Historic Site. It's the birthplace of Canada's national park system and features natural thermal springs inside a mysterious cave. The scent of sulphur might hit you first, but apart from the smell, the history and setting are well worth the stop. Next, hike the Sunshine Meadows, especially in summer. Think endless fields of wildflowers at the top of a gondola-accessed mountain. Cool, right? You'll feel like you're walking through a picture postcard. It's also way less touristy than other hotspots, so if you need a peaceful break, this is the place to visit. And now for our weird but worth it segment, the Hoodoos. These are tall, thin spires of rock that look like they belong on another planet, created by the wind or water eroding the rocks to create these wonderful natural masterpieces. They're super easy to reach from a lookout point near Tunnel Mountain and totally unique to the area. It's a quick visit, but one that'll have you asking yourself, wait, this is in Canada? Okay, let's give you some travel info. Best time to visit, summer, June, August for hiking, lakes and long days. Winter, December, March for skiing, frozen lakes and magical snow. What to pack? Layers. The weather changes fast, so best to be prepared. Bug spray in summer, bear spray if you're hiking, especially if hiking alone without a tour guide, and good hiking boots. Getting around. A car helps, but the Rome Transit and Parks Canada shuttles are great options if you're planning ahead and don't feel like driving on vacation. It's just a case of booking. Please respect wildlife. Always keep your distance and never feed the animals. Banff is wild, and that's part of the magic, but it will be much safer for you not getting too close. Before we wrap up, here are 3 quick bonus spots that are totally worth squeezing into your Banff itinerary. Bow Lake. Often overshadowed by its famous neighbours, Bow Lake is a peaceful, mirror-like glacial lake right along the Icefields Parkway. The views of Crowfoot Mountain, reflecting on the water, especially at sunrise, is seriously underrated. Vermilion Lake, just 5 minutes from Banff Town, is the spot for epic sunset photography. Paddleboarding here in the evening, with Mount Rundle in the background, feels like something out of a dream. Cascade Gardens, tucked right behind the Banff Park Administration Building. This hidden gem is full of vibrant flower beds, charming stone pathways and mountain views. It's a quiet little pocket of beauty that most visitors miss. It's perfect for a peaceful break from the crowds. All 3 of these bonus ideas are low-effort, high-reward stops that can easily fit into your day and make your Banff experience even more unforgettable. Banff is one of those places that leaves you changed. Whether you're there for the adventure, the views, or just a break from real life, it's pure nature therapy. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more vacation vibes every single week. It's free. Got a favourite Canadian spot or other travel question? Drop it below. I always love hearing from you. Thanks for watching. I'm Adam, and I'll see you again next week with more unforgettable destinations from around the world. Until then, happy travels.